Jones with FCSI's Foodservice Consultant Magazine. I'm delighted to be here with Mark Klindera, President of UNOX Inc. Mark, why is it great to be back here at NAFEM? Why is this going to be a great show for UNOX?
It's unbelievable. You know, it's been since 2019 that we've had NAFEM. As you all know, last year we had to cancel the show, so it's just sensational. Lots of energy, lots of people coming, very exciting.
What's your favorite part of the show, Mark?
Favorite part of the show is really just reconnecting.
Yeah.
You know, having a chance to see current customers, happy customers, and also get to hopefully meet some potentially new customers.
Fantastic. And why is 2023 going to be an exciting year for UNOX Inc.?
You know, we've really reached a new plateau here, especially with UNOX Inc. in the United States, in terms of our brand becoming just more well-positioned and becoming more known in the industry, and we're just seeing a real explosion. So
fantastic.
Very excited to see where we're going.
Absolutely. Well, let's go and have a look at some products. So I'm here with Chef Tony Maiolo from UNOX Inc. Chef Tony, great to meet you. We're here to learn about Averio. So tell me, why is Averio a completely different type of equipment? Why is it more than just a holding cabinet?
So Averio is more than just a holding cabinet, mainly because of its precision, right? We have 1 degree of variation in temperature fluctuation when we're holding products, as well as precise humidity control, right? So we're not worrying about products deteriorating as quickly. That mixed with our multi-day pump that we're allowed to hot vacuum seal hot food allows us to remove oxygen altogether, that allows us to get that extension of the shelf life that we're looking for.
And how does Averio improve the kitchen processes for a variety of food service sectors?
Absolutely. So it improves different sectors in different ways, right? By being able to put 20% of our menu within it, I can now either reduce labor, which makes costs look better, or my existing labor can then focus on quality of the other 80% of my menu, right? So they're able to make sure that the consistency is there across the quality, and that can range in different types of sectors, right? If we're in a sporting event facility, I don't need 3 people prepping all for half the week and then 85 people prepping the rest of it. I can have those 3 people finish things throughout the week. Because I can hold and extend my shelf life, then on game day, everything's done, ready to go. So I can reduce labor and maintain quality in that way.
Fantastic. Tony, what would you say is the product's main benefits, and really why is this a game-changing product?
I would say it's again, main benefits resort in its precision, and I think that's why it's such a game changer, because never before have we seen a hot box that has 1 degree of variation. And I'm going to get yelled at for calling it a hot box because it's a hot fridge, and that's the way we want people to think about it. If you're in a refrigerator or holding food at a constant temperature for multiple days, we're doing the exact same thing in the Averio above the danger zone, so we know that there's no bacteria growth. And again, that mixed with the multi-day pump to vacuum seal, if I can hold things for 72 hours, that in itself is a game changer, because when we go to restaurants and we eat, a lot of the wait time is the retherm, the regenerating, the cooking of our food. If that's done before the customer even walks in the door, I'm turning tables faster, I'm putting more money in the till, and everybody's happy.
Sounds like a great product. Tony, let's find out a little bit more about Speed Pro.
Absolutely.
Excellent. Tony, the Speed Pro is the world's first speed baking oven. How does it achieve perfect results, even if items have been added at different times?
So the perfection really begins in here inside the fan. The fan being able to auto reverse in baking mode allows us to achieve a beautiful bake without having to rotate products and change things around. But then when we shift over to our speed mode and we activate our magnetrons, that technologies are still working, so we're able to achieve an even result. And then because of our adaptive cooking, when I launch a program, our adaptive cooking is what allows me to have multiple timers to run at the same time. And because that adaptive cooking is checking and calibrating multiple times every other second or so, it's adjusting that environment in real time to make sure that we're cooking evenly and we get that desired result every time.
Fantastic. Tony, how does Speed Pro eliminate wait times, but also at the same time increase profits? How does that work?
Just like that, just with that speed mode, right? That adaptive cooking, that multi-speed functionality. No longer do I have to wait for one item to be done before I can launch another one. I can launch 4 things at the same time or at multiple times, and then just keep rotating products in and out. So by being able to quadruple my output, allows me to get that ROI that much faster on the oven.
Fantastic. This is a very cleanable, very durable machine. What are its other benefits, would you say?
Huge benefit behind that is the capacity, right? Most of our competitors have a much smaller chamber on the inside, so it's hard to get larger things in there, right? We can do an entire 14-inch pizza and have no problems with bending crust or consistency on top. So I think its capacity, as opposed in conjunction with that multi-speed functionality, really sets it apart from the others. Plus, if you'll notice on the inside, there's nothing that really has to be removed other than our speed plate. So cleanability-wise, it's that much easier that I simply spray it down, let it soak, and wipe it out. Makes it a lot easier.
Awesome. Great product. Thanks, Chef Tony.
Thank you.
Thank you.